I guess now. See? Say hello. Say hello. This is the current picture. This is the current view of our balcony. We have quite a big balcony out here. We have this bench that we like to chill on when it's nice and warm outside. But as you can see, it's a very nice, spacious balcony. I think my husband said it's like 30 square meters when he took the measurements. However, we have had some serious issues with waterproofing in this particular area. Right underneath this balcony is the extra room or living room that we have, and it is completely damaged. It's on the project list. It was supposed to be for this year, but we'll probably only get to it next year. But what we're gonna do, which is the purpose of this video, is to strip these tiles. As you can see, they've already started to come off a little bit here. So we're gonna strip all of these tiles off, clear this area, and then we are gonna go ahead and waterproof it. After the waterproofing has dried, we are gonna retile this balcony so that there isn't any more water that's seeping into the balcony and into the other room that's downstairs. And then finally we'll probably do a repaint of the entire house. Long overdue, to be fair, but I'm so excited. That's a shadow of me. I'm so excited to finally get this started, because of course this has been the bane of our existence, and to just get that done will really help. And this is a cute little gate that my husband built. I asked him to build it because our baby, our toddler, she likes to be out here running around, just being a kid. And that for me was a huge hazard, because of course there's just a huge staircase going downstairs to the bottom of the house. So yeah, he built this and we painted it nicely so that she can be secure. So guys, yeah, I really do hope you'll enjoy this renovation. I'm so excited. One thing that'll definitely be coming off the vision board, the balcony renovation.
Oh, yeah. These ones aren't lifted up.
They're hard. That's what I thought.
Now how am I supposed to move these?
Must hit it. It's so hot today, guys, but this is the progress so far. This is quite difficult because you're literally knocking the tiles off the surface, and we don't have a choice because we have to take these tiles out in order for us to be able to do the waterproofing that we need to do on this balcony. As I mentioned before, there is a water damage issue that is happening in the living room underneath this balcony. So we absolutely have to strip all these tiles off so we can do proper waterproofing before we retile this entire balcony. When we retiled our living room, the guys that came in actually said it was very difficult to strip the tiles, and therefore they just retiled on top of the existing tile, just kind of tapped holes into it so it could grip the adhesive. Here it's not the case. We literally don't have that option here because we have to strip these tiles off so that we can be able to waterproof. But it's coming along nicely, and I'm super proud of my son because my son is doing this for us whenever he has a free gap in his day. He's taking these off, and he's literally done all of this all on his own. This is quite a big balcony because this is the amount that's still left over. But lucky enough, we are not in a massive rush because we only plan to do this in December when my husband goes on leave, because he's the one who supervises all of our home improvements. I'm totally trash when it comes to managing contractors, etc. So we've got quite a few home improvement projects lined up, and I will be sharing it with you guys on this platform. So my son still has quite some time to be able to kind of strip this entire thing off, and I'm sure at some point my husband will chip in and help him out so that they can do this side of the balcony, and then they'll conclude it. I do want to make sure that when we retile this area as well here, which looks like a little bit of a step, and then we also do like a little bit of a skirting against the wall. I just think it looks aesthetically pleasing, and it'll kind of tie this entire space up nicely, because as you can see right now, there is no skirting and it's looking very trashy and very dodgy. So I want to make sure that we can nicely apply some skirting on there. And then of course the final project, which we'll probably do next year, is repainting this entire house, which I'm super excited about because it's been a long time coming. All right guys, I'll keep you updated. Cheers. Here's an update, guys, of the balcony. All the tiles have been successfully removed, and as you can see, it's been cleared out. My shadow. But yeah, so all that's left to do now, my husband said he's got some concerns around this. I don't know if you can see that, but there's like a gap, and that is caused by the adhesive, the tile adhesive that had been used before. As you can see, it peels off pretty easily on some spots, but in other spots not so much. Like here, I'm able to literally just lift it. So he was saying he's probably going to have to see how much of it is able to be successfully lifted off before we do the screed, because if we do the screed while there's lifting adhesive, then it will not be effective. So that's phase 2, I suppose, of this project. Like here, it's literally just like super hard. It won't lift. But I'm supposing where it does lift, we'll be able to lift, and where we're not able to, we'll try and see if we can get a tool to be able to lift it. And then what will then happen is we'll do the screed so that it levels everything out nicely, so we can be able to do the waterproofing. The waterproofing is like a rubberized based paint, which we'll apply and let dry before we bring in the guys to come and do the tiling. So everything we're doing ourselves, except of course the tiling. Tiling is not something my husband is willing to DIY, not because he can't. I've seen him do some tiling in our kitchen where he repaired the broken sink, but it's not something he's confident in, and he wouldn't want to take on a project this big. So we'll get the pros for that. But yeah, that's a little bit of an update. Guys, this is finally done. The balcony has been retiled. The waterproofing has been completed. To say I'm excited is an understatement. If you remember, I had mentioned to you guys that we were going to retile this entire balcony. As you can see, all the way there, it's been retiled. And all that's left is we now just need to mop, because the guys were here to install the tiles and they said they'd like us to mop once the grout has dried, and it looks like the grout has dried. We went with this CTM tile with light gray grout, and I'm absolutely obsessed. As I had said the last time when we spoke and I was showing you around this step area, we tiled that as well, and we asked them to do some skirting there as well. As you can see, the skirting is all around, which I think is just, it ties the space up nicely. It makes it look well put together. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this project. I'm absolutely obsessed with this tile. It is a ceramic tile, but of course, I think they call it the Kalahari, is it? I'm not sure. I'll put it on the screen in terms of what this range is called from CTM, which makes it quite great for outdoor, indoor tiling. I think it just looks spectacular. This is one project that is ready to come off the vision board. The home improvement projects wall has one item ticked off. Sorry about that, guys. Yay, super excited. One thing about homemaking, guys, take your time. Let me tell you, take your time. Don't rush it. Make sure you've got the right material. Step by step, you will get there in the end. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.